Look what we had for dinner last night. Cream cheese, spinach, stuffed chicken breast, paired with trio colored baby carrots and quinoa. Come into my kitchen, PattyKakes Kitchen, and let me show you how. To begin with, I'll make my cream cheese stuffing. I need some garlic, spinach. Now that I have my spinach and my garlic all chopped, now let's put everything together. My spinach, and by the way, you can chop it real fine or you can cook it down. It doesn't matter. My garlic. My room temperature cream cheese. Mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. And a little bit of mayonnaise. It is a little mix. And now, I'm getting ready to put in a little, not a little, a lot of seasoning. Garlic powder. I'm using lemon herb Kinder's. Kinder's Italian chicken. And the blend. A little bit of paprika. Get this all mixed. And we're gonna set this to the side and get our chicken breast ready. I have my chicken breast all washed and dried. Now I'm going to split it so that I can stuff it. You want to just split it about this far. You don't want to split it all the way open. Just enough so you can stuff your cream cheese. Don't split it all the way at the top. You want to just make an opening here in the center like this, so that you can stuff it. Okay? Now that I've split my chicken breast, I'm gonna season them with the same seasonings that I used with the cream cheese filling. So you wanna, when you're seasoning, you wanna get all inside. Make sure you get the seasoning all in the inside also. And the back side. Gotta get some love too. Before I stuff them, I'm gonna use a little bit of salt in the inside. Just a little bit. Because all of the seasonings that I used already had salt. So, okay. And go ahead and stuff them. You don't want to stuff a whole lot. When you're getting ready to sear it, you don't want it to come out. So, that should be enough. Get it all packed in there. And then take a couple of toothpicks and just close it together. Just like that. To a skillet, add a little olive oil. And go ahead and add your chicken breast. After I've seared it about 2 minutes, I'm getting ready to put it in the oven, cover it on 400 for 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes out of the oven. I skipped the part where I removed the toothpicks before I put the chicken breast into the oven. And it also made a buttery, creamy gravy. And this is the end results of the cream cheese spinach stuffed chicken breast. I paired it with baby carrots and quinoa. If you're enjoying this video, we'd really appreciate your support. Go ahead and tap that like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might enjoy it too. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell set to all so you'll always know when a new PattyKakes Kitchen video is ready for you.